How to update Nvidia graphic card driver. Hi everybody, in this video I'll walk you through the steps on how can you update Nvidia graphic card driver. In order to update your Nvidia graphic card drivers using the Nvidia app, you just have to follow these steps. First of all, open the Nvidia app and navigate to driver sections and check for available updates and install them. After which, you simply want to right click on a desktop and select Nvidia Control Panel. Then go to the help menu and select updates. Then you just need to check for install any available updates. After you've actually done it you simply want to go ahead and download it and check for an install. Then right click on the mouse once again on the Nvidia logo in the system tree and select check for update or update performances. Once you've done it you could go ahead and check that out as well. And this is how you could go ahead and update Nvidia graphic drivers card. So that's the way you could do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.